Solve for x. 3 log x minus 2 log of 2x equals 2 log 5. Before we solve this equation, let's find restrictions. This will let us know whether we can keep the answers we get or we've got to eliminate any of them. We can't have a negative or a 0 in any of the logs. So looking at our first term, we need the inside to be greater than 0. If we look at the second log, we can say the same thing. The inside of that log needs to be greater than 0. If we now solve this inequality for x, we get x is greater than 0, which is the same thing that we'd said before. X is greater than 0. This means we need to keep only positive answers. With this in mind, let's now solve the equation. I want to be able to combine these logs together. In order to do that, I need all the coefficients to be the same. So let's use our power property to bring all these coefficients up as exponents. We can now rewrite this as log of x cubed minus log of 2x all squared equals log of 5 squared. On the left-hand side, we have a difference between two logs, so we can write this as a single log with a division on the inside. This is log of x cubed over 4x squared. We got the 4 by applying this power to everything on the inside. And now on the right, we have log of 25. At this stage, we have a log on each side of the equation, so we can use the one-to-one property to cancel the logs out. This leaves us with x cubed over 4x squared equals 25. Before we go further, let's reduce some x's. On the left-hand side, this leaves us with x over 4 equals 25. Finally, to solve for x, we can multiply both sides by our common denominator. We multiply both sides by 4. So on the left-hand side, the 4's reduce out, and we're left with x. On the right, we multiply together, and we get x equals 100. Finally, at the end, let's make sure that this passes our restrictions. Our restrictions, we said in the beginning, we're only allowed positive numbers for x. And we have x equals 100, which is positive, so we know that we're going to keep this. Our solution is x equals 100.